Hey guys, let's craft together part 4 of Georgia Peach. Let's make a bow. So we're going to grab our 2.5-inch wired ribbon, and we are going to do 12-inch tails and measure out 12 inches for the loops as well. So that's going to make your loops 6 inches. And we're going to grab that 1.5-inch wired ribbon, do another 12-inch tail, and I'm going to shrink my loops down to 11. So I'm measuring out 11 inches 4 times. So that's going to make your loops 5.5 inches. And I'm still sticking with that 12-inch tail. I'm then going to grab another 1.5-inch wired ribbon, do the same pattern. We're going to do 12 inches, and then we're going to do 2 11-inch loops, which is going to make them 5.5 inches, and then I just throw that ribbon around my thumb and make another little loop, and that's where we're going to thread our wire through. And we're going to make sure that wire is really nice and tight, give it a few good spins, and I'm going to dovetail all the ends. So I'm going to fold my ribbon in half and cut at an angle. So stinking cute. We're then going to thread that wire through your wreath to attach your bow. Thanks for hanging out. Stay tuned for part 5 and let me know if you have any questions in the comments.